In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Fiverr to Payoneer. It's a simple process that allows you to withdraw your Fiverr earnings directly to your Payoneer account so you can access your funds more easily. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, open Fiverr and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and go to Earnings. Inside the Earnings section, you'll see your available balance along with different withdrawal options. To transfer money to Payoneer, click on Withdraw Balance and then choose the Payoneer option. If you have not connected Payoneer before, Fiverr will ask you to link your Payoneer account. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and sign into your Payoneer account to authorize the connection. After linking your account successfully, return to the withdrawal page and select the amount you want to transfer. Confirm the withdrawal, and Fiverr will begin processing the payment. In most cases, the money arrives in your Payoneer account within a few hours, although sometimes it may take longer depending on processing times and account verification status. Once the funds are available in Payoneer, you can transfer them to your bank account, withdraw cash using your Payoneer card, or use the balance for online payments. Now, if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.